Hey you guys, QUEENIFICATION1 back at you again with yet another video. Happy Friday, you guys. And today we are talking about this wig here, y'all. I'm super duper excited about this wig. Again, sorry my voice is acting crazy. I've been talking all day, so my voice is like getting really shaky right now, but that is beside the point. We are talking about this wig here. It is called the Perm Romance wig. I bought this from Sam's Beauty during Black Friday. I did an unboxing, initial review. I will link that below in the description bar, so you guys can definitely check that out. So what I did today was I straightened this wig because I felt like I didn't get a good batch of this wig. So it was like super duper fluffy, and before I even bought this wig, I saw videos about this wig and they were so pretty and it was just like silky looking, and I'm like, yes, I want that wig. But that's not the wig that I got. So I had to do something about it. I have not worn this wig since the initial unboxing because I didn't feel like it was wearable the way it was. I didn't really like it. I mean, it was cute, but that's just not what I thought I was going to be getting. But yeah, so I straightened this wig today, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm feeling myself a little bit today because it is, I love it now. Like, I feel like it's totally wearable. If you guys want to see how I got it to look like this, please check out the rest of the video. Okay, so we're going to be talking about this wig, and this wig is actually the Perm Romance wig, you guys. I've done a video on this, an unboxing video, so I'm going to link that below in the description bar so you guys can go ahead and check that out. This is what I wanted to talk about with this wig. It's pretty, but some of the reviews I've seen on this wig prior to doing my unboxing video, prior to buying the wig, didn't really reflect the type of wig that I ended up getting. I did see a few other ladies on YouTube say that they feel like they got a bad batch of this wig. I'm not bashing the company or anything like that. I absolutely love this wig, but I just think it's just not, all the wigs are not created equal, I would say. But anyway, this is in a T1B/BG. And it has that nice dark root with the burgundy at the bottom. Now what I'm going to do today is I'm going to try and go ahead and straighten this wig, and we're going to see if it looks a little bit better once I straighten it. Now I'm just going to use a regular flat iron, and this, now I use this all the time, well, not all the time, but I use this when I flat iron or straighten my natural hair. And see, it has hair in it. Okay, now this it is by G-Gall, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's fading away a little bit, you guys, because let me just get the box back here. G-Gall or J-Gall or something. But it just helps better with tension when you do the chase method. So yes, that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to try and flat iron, straighten this wig and see if it looks better. Now, as I've said in my previous video about this wig, I absolutely love the color. But I actually have not worn this wig since I did my initial review because I felt like it just was not, you guys know what I mean. It just was not what I expected. So when so I just never actually wore it. So we're going to straighten it and see if that makes me feel better about it, and see if I like it a little bit better and I'll actually get a wear out of it, a few wears out of it. So I'm going to, unfortunately, I'm filming in a different area right now, so everything's on the floor. But I'm just going to use a regular sheet iron, you guys, and I'm going to go ahead and flat iron this hair. I'm going to try and speed up the video so you guys won't be like just sitting here watching me straighten it for 1,000 hours. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to straighten this wig. Again, this is a very good, it's a tension comb basically, and basically it clamps together, so it slides better down and it holds a tighter grip on your hair. So I'm going to see if this works out with flat ironing this wig. Ooh, this hair is thick. Okay, see, my natural hair is not this thick, so when I use this comb, it slides down better. So yeah, so let's just see here how this looks once we straighten it. And as you can see, it's super duper long. Ooh, oh, wait a minute. Oh my God, look at that. Wow. Okay, so let's continue to straighten, and I'm gonna either speed up the video, you guys, or I'm just gonna pause and come back after it's all straightened. But I do want you guys to see me straighten a couple parts just so you can see how well it's straightening. Or I also may, if I don't speed up the video and I just pause it and come back, what I'll do is I'll just leave a few parts in the front so you guys can see it straighten. But I'm gonna just go ahead and straighten a couple more parts. Ooh, wait a minute now. That didn't help. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. I am liking it a little bit better, you guys. So let's just see here. Okay, so this is the last part I guess I'm going to straighten on camera, and then before I leave and come back. So I'm going to straighten this piece. It gets tangled right at the end. That's the weird part. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and straighten the entirety of the wig, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, you guys, before I finish the wig, I just wanted to come back and do a side-by-side comparison and let you guys see what it's starting to look like. Like, I'm excited now. Okay, so this is the side that I was straightening. Now, I mean, I know I could get it a little bit straighter, but I just wanted to see if it would even straighten. But I didn't leave the front fluffy like this. I did take my flat irons and just like curl it backwards because I didn't want it to be like, you know, board straight. But yeah, so this is what it's starting to look like, you guys. Look at the difference. Like this is before. I mean, it's really, really fluffy. That's not bad. You know, that's not bad, but that's not what I expected when I bought this wig. Anyway, this is the before. And this is the after. Like, I'm absolutely loving it straight. So, if you guys give me a second, I'm going to straighten the rest of the wig and I'm going to come right back at you. Okay, you guys. So, this is the wig straightened completely. Again, like I said earlier, I could have, you know, done, I guess, a better job, like straightening it a little bit more, but I didn't even know if this hair was actually going to straighten because, just because of how, like, it's made and stuff, I didn't know if it was going to actually straighten. So, I'm super duper happy with the results of this wig. Yeah, oh my gosh, you guys, like I said before as well, I'm going to link my initial unboxing video in the description bar below so you can see it, because, oh my goodness, from that to this, like, I'm so excited. It is so cute, and now I feel like it's wearable. So, I'm going to show you the stock card again. This is the Perm Romance wig. I did get this from, I did get this from Sam's Beauty in my Black Friday haul video. I'll definitely link that video below as well so you guys can also check that out. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. You guys, I now have a Twitter, so I'm happy about that. And I also have an Instagram, so please check me out on there, and don't forget to follow me as well as subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. Videos are posted every Friday. I hope to see you guys in the very next video. Until then, take care. Bye.